Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Welcome to a new video under the hashtag The Autonomous Learner. Under this hashtag, I talk about grammar for beginners. Today's video is about the present simple 5 speaking negative. Right now, we're talking about the present simple, and this is the 5th video in a series. If you really want to know how to speak English very well, you really gotta watch the other 4 videos. In the first video called the present simple 1 form, I talked about how to form the present simple negative and question sentences. And in the second one, the present simple 2 usage, I shared some secrets that will help you use the linking verb to be in the affirmative sentences correctly with ab. In the present simple 3 usage, I talked about how to use the other verbs, which are action verbs, with awab, if you remember that one. Starting the last video, present simple 4, speaking, affirmative sentences, I started explaining how to use everything I had talked about in your speaking. I shared with you the process, the mental process that you need to follow to actually start speaking. Today, I will continue talking about that. I will talk about how to make negative sentences in speaking. In the last video, I showed you my daily routine and I asked you to make sentences about it. Here are some possible answers. Now we'll move on to today's topic. Remember these 2 facts. Number 1, most of our sentences are positive, negative, or questions. And number 2, as I said so many times before, a sentence has 3 parts: the subject, the verb, and the completion. Now, to make a negative sentence, always start with the positive sentence in mind first, and then add no or not to the verb in the positive sentence. Let me explain. If the verb is in the positive sentence is a linking verb, which is king be, if you remember, the word not goes after it. For example, he is organized, he is not organized. And if the verb is an action verb, one of the folks, not verb to be, then you need to use don't or doesn't before the verb. For example, he takes a nap. He doesn't take a nap. To remember the rule for negatives, please do watch present simple 1 form again. The video makes it very easy for you to understand how to make negative sentences. Now, let's apply that in speaking. Watch the following video. We'll make positive sentences and negative sentences about it. This is Mr. Shelby. This is his car. It's not his friend's car. It's a Toyota. It's not a Mercedes. He's in the parking area. He's not on the street. He finishes work in the afternoon. He doesn't finish work at night. He feels hot. He doesn't feel cold. He takes off his blazer. He doesn't keep it on. He puts it on the passenger seat. He doesn't put it on the back seat. He wears his shades. He doesn't wear his cap. He starts his car. He doesn't start the radio. As you could see, to start thinking about how to make negative sentences, you have to think about the positive sentence first, and then you think about the negative sentence. Now it's your turn. Here is another video. Watch it and make positive and negative sentences on it. Try to make many positive sentences with both linking and action verbs. Then change them into negative ones. You don't have to make a story like I did with the previous video. Here are the first 2 sentences to help you. This is Mr. Shelby. It's 7 a.m. in the morning. So to wrap it up, next time you want to make a negative sentence in the present simple, make the positive sentence first in your mind and then say the negative sentence after. After some time, you will stop thinking about making that positive sentence in mind and you will directly say the negative sentence. Now, here is your homework. Watch the following video and again, make positive sentences with both linking and action verbs and then change those positive sentences into negative sentences. And next video, which is after 2 weeks, I will give you my answers. Thank you very much for watching and bye.